Here's how to save Instagram videos and photos in gallery. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can save Instagram videos and photos into your gallery or photos. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, you just basically have to go to your Instagram. So here, once you're in Instagram, just go to your profile. So click on your profile on the corner. Here, as you can see, I'm on my profile right now. What you have to do is just press on 3 horizontal lines on the corner top. Once you press on it, just go to settings and privacy. Once you're in settings and privacy, scroll down a bit. So once you've scrolled down until you've seen archiving and downloading. So just press on archiving and downloading. So once you press on it here, as you can see, you have to turn on all the options right over here. As you can see, I have turned off save story to camera roll. So just basically turn it on. Once you turn it on, here as you can see, you've basically turned on all your features. So what you have to do now is just go and take a picture or whatever you want to do. So here I'm just gonna swipe to the camera. Here I'm just gonna take a picture. Once I take the picture, just press on download or save. Here as you can see, it's been saved to camera roll. So let's check it out. So yeah, here you go. That's how you can save Instagram videos and photos in gallery. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye.